On this trip, I'm out with the Hatsan Vectis 25 caliber and my buddy Chacho on a rabbit hunt. After 18 hours of freeway and highway driving, I finally rolled onto the last paved road I'd see for a couple of days. I rolled up to the bunkhouse, unloaded my gear, and headed back out. I took a quick look around before going to check zero on my rifle. Something told me the rabbit hunting was going to be productive. It's convenient to have this bench right outside the ranch lodge. I was heading out with what has become a favorite hunting rifle, the Hatsan Vectis lever action PCP in 25. By the way, I get a lot of questions about the rest I'm using. It's a Bog Death Grip ultralight on a tabletop tripod that I borrowed for my spotting scope. This setup is stable and very adaptable. This lever action cycles so nicely. The pellets I was using on this hunt were the Hades 26.5 grain hollow points. These pellets have a unique design. There are 3 deep indentations which cause the head to expand on impact. Of course, expansion only matters when you can hit your target. As usual, accuracy rules. The Vectis charges to 200 bar using a proprietary fill probe. As mentioned, I topped my Vectis with the Leapers 3-12 by 44 compact mil-dot sniper scope. I think this is a great choice on this rig. These scopes are sturdy, compact, and offer good optical quality and will stand up to just about anything. Very rugged. I started with a 5-shot group in a gusty wind. It was shooting high. I clicked down 20 steps and tested zero again. Was happy with the results. We drove down a ranch road, then headed off on foot. I almost immediately saw 2 jackrabbits. I dropped the first one and spun on the second, then had run down the road. Dropped him with a shot right to the back of the head. I set myself a half-dozen jackrabbit limit and had 2 in the bag already. I spotted another one feeding and closed into range. Number 3 was down. Chacho spotted a cottontail on the run from the truck, so we jumped out and stalked in.
I think I see him. I see a little bit of white. That's him. It's his tail. There it is. Yeah, caught his tail. That's all I see is head. Oh yeah. Good shot.
Cottontail, haven't been seeing him. I think this one will bring home his skin for the pot.
Yeah, we will. Okay.
Shortly afterwards, I saw Jackrabbit's ears standing up behind a bush. Number 4 anchored.
Yes, sir.
Let's take a break from hunting for a minute to look at what makes this such a cool little hunting rig. The overall design of this synthetic thumbnail stock is comfortable, ergonomic, and comes quickly to the shoulder. The lever action is smooth and has a short cocking action. The orientation of the lever vertically along the pistol grip yields a more natural angle than the more typical horizontal alignment you'd find on, say, a Winchester lever action. Let's get back to the hunt.
Do you see him?
It's a good shot. Right through the heart lung. Okay, stay on him. Oh.
Good shot.
I looked over and he was sitting about 40 yards away, and I thought he was 60. Lined up the shot and shot right over the top of him. He took off running. We watched him cutting through the bush and came across the road and up the side of the hill, and we went after him. And we're walking in and I kicked him up. He ran about 15 yards and stopped and looked back at me, and I got the shot. I think this one we'll bring home and skin for the pot.
Yeah, we will.
Then it was time to dress the cottontails. I decided to try a method Chacho had showed me on our last hunting trip. I was a bit awkward, but it still only took about 4 minutes. Chacho said, you did pretty good, then stepped in to show me what good is. This is real time, no editing here. Chacho had this rabbit ready to go in the freezer in about a minute.
That headshot splattered back at me. There you go. There's your little kidneys. If you do, you're tougher than I am. This is what gave them away.
Yep. So the Vectis had once again done his job for me. This carbine is accurate, powerful, very fast to cycle, and for me anyway, a great offhand shooter. As always, like and share if you found this video interesting. See you next time.